Hey everybody, it's Armin. Today we're going to be doing hood louvers on my buddy Alan's GTI hood. So, in one of my previous videos I posted up that I had come up with a GTI hood louver set. So this is it. It takes up the entire front section of the understructure of this hood without affecting the actual structural parts, as I'll demonstrate with the cutting. But we don't have a template for this since I just designed this part using a 3D scan. So what we're going to do today is first I'm going to clean it up. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to cut it in the intended design area. I'll show in a bit. And then we'll go to the front. We'll match up the position. We'll drill all the rivet holes out, rivet it in, and then we'll go take it out for some data runs. I do have some thermal images from before, and we'll be excited to post the ones from after as well. Alright, so now that we're looking at the back side, you can see, just like on my other video where I showed the 3D scan, we're not going to be affecting the main structural channels of this. We'll be cutting along this border of the webbing up front. We'll be cutting away all the webbing on the sides and on the back side here. And that'll give us the lineup for this to sit about right here on the front side, or on the top side. So we're just going to commence with, I'm going to clean this off and then I'm going to start with cutting. Like I said, we'll just cut straight through the outer skin along this border the whole way. We'll cut right up to where this goes upward into the channeling, all around here. I'm going to take a small break from cutting. I just ran out of cutting discs and my wife is on the way with some more, so I guess I'll just clean up some edges in the meantime. Alright, as you see, we got the basic cutout here. I'm going to flip it on over, then see how this thing fits. Ready? Go. So now I'm going to spend a little bit of time cleaning up these edges, and then we're going to put some tape on here, center this out, make sure it's lined up right, drill some holes. That should be it. So I actually think it's a good idea for us to go ahead and bend these louvers now, so that way I can better see the lines we're lining this up. For now, I went ahead and found my center here, and I drew a line so that way I know where that top center hole goes. I'm going to see about putting the bottom center hole, but these lines may just line me up, so we'll see. Okay, so I got a little bit more to cut over here in these corners, but this template is actually perfect. Like, you can just line it up when you open the vents up. You can just line up the corners and stuff, and it's done. I will need to clearance just where this is. This needs to be a more rounded edge, so I'm just going to open that up with the grinder bit, and then we'll get to making holes. Looks like we're good. I'm going to go ahead and start dropping some dots. Oh, look. There we go. That's my approximate center line, so it looks like we're pretty well close. Okay, so we now finished the installation. So this is my first prototype installation. We're going to get some heat data off of this. We're going to post some thermal images at the end of this video, and we're going to put these up for sale with the option for getting them powder coated as well. Let's check out the backside as well. Yeah, that's a lot of ventilation. Let's go install it on the car.